Mitsubishi Electric FR series inverters marked its 40th anniversary in 2021. And in 2022, cumulative shipments exceeded 25 million units. Now they are used in various fields from factory automation to social systems in Japan and overseas. In 1981, to meet various application needs, the FRE series general-purpose inverters were released. With the 5 Es, the history of general-purpose inverters began. In 1987, the FR Z100 and Z200 series all-digital inverters were released for variable speed applications. They were the first general-purpose inverters which could communicate with programmable controllers. In 1991, the FR Z024 series ultra-compact inverters were released and achieved a dominant share in the small inverter market. Thus, our inverters started to penetrate into the low-end market. In 1992, the FRA 200 series was released with higher performance and quality. IGBT power modules were adopted, enabling the highest level of control performance, quiet operation, and further downsizing. In 1997, the 500 series inverters were released to meet the increasing energy-saving demand across the world, featuring vector control, advanced magnetic flux vector control, and SOFT-PWM control for acoustic and electrical noise reduction. The FRA 500 series was compliant with American and European standards to meet advanced demands from overseas. In addition, production bases were established in the United States and China to sell the products over the world. The FRE 500 series had a compact body with improved functionality and performance. In 2004, targeting the mature market, we released the 700 series, our long-selling products, featuring real sensorless vector control, the life check function, and long-life components. In 2013, the 800 series was released with higher functionality and performance. In 2015, the FRA 800 Plus series was added for specialized fields, including the crane and roll-to-roll applications. The FRE 800 series, released in 2019, supports CC-Link IE-TSN, enabling industrial IoT and advanced energy savings. Now we will explain the main features of Mitsubishi Electric inverters. Supporting high-efficiency induction motors and IPM motors meets the increasing energy-saving demand. With high torque operation at low speed and high accuracy motor control, the inverters provide powerful and persistent driving. The setting dial on the operation panel supports quick settings. Long-life components and self-diagnosis functions for life components support stable operations. The inverters are compliant with the standards for functional safety. The initial safety certification cost can be reduced. Compatibility with industrial Ethernet networks such as CC-Link IE-TSN helps promote IoT solutions in production sites. Mitsubishi Electric inverters have been innovative, ecological, and user-friendly products. To make the future by supporting daily life, Mitsubishi Electric inverters will continue evolving, following the 40-year history.